Hello kids! Today we learn and draw some 2D shapes and colors. Black color. It's a dark black color. Draw some 2D shapes. Let's start. Right triangle. It's a right triangle. Triangle. We are drawing triangle. Triangle has 3 sides. Triangle. We are drawing pie. We are drawing pie. Pie. Draw heart. We are drawing heart. It's a heart. Arrow. We are drawing arrow. It's an arrow. Circle. We are drawing circle. It's a circle. Now we learn some colors. Yellow green color, yellow color, red color, purple color, forest green color, sky blue color, pink color, orange color, vermilion color, it's a vermilion color, cool grey color, cool grey color, carmine color, carmine color, old red color, old red color, cobalt blue color, cobalt blue color, brick brown color, brick brown color. Now learn 2D shapes. Right triangle, triangle, pie, heart, arrow, circle. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next video. Bye bye.